Well, new gadget time yet again. Those of you who follow the channel regularly will notice the lack of a Bluetti Charger One. Yes, I had to get rid of it. The first one stopped working. They replaced that quite easily, not a problem. Second one started working fine, and that packed up. So Bluetti said it's my, they're sure it's my EcoFlow that is the problem. So they've asked me to try a Bluetti power station. So I bought a Bluetti power station. It was on special offer. And it didn't work with that either. So they then refunded me my money, telling me that there is a new version coming out soon which should solve my problem. Doesn't that mean that they've got a problem with it or something? Anyway, a little experiment today. I managed to get my hands on more Bluetti 200W solar panel, which I'm hoping is going to help me out. My main power draw, if I'm honest, is the fridge, so I just wondered whether the solar panel might be able to run the fridge and save the other power for cooking and TV and all that other stuff we like to use. So I'm going to do a quick check today. The fridge, when it's working, is drawing 78 watts from the Bluetti, which is an Elite 100 power bank. It's quite a cloudy day today. I don't know if you can see that, I'm actually getting 114 watts of free energy from the sun, which will be enough to power the fridge. Even with the sun behind the cloud, I'm getting 62 watts at the minute. So, well, that's going out now. The sun is increasing again. Even with the sun behind the cloud, still getting 26 watts. So I'm presuming when the fridge isn't running, it'll restore some of the power. Should help out a lot until the fabled new Charger One appears, which I will be doing a video on. Now with the sun blazing down, I'm getting a full 151 watts. The fridge not running, and it's now telling me it's going to take 7 minutes to charge the power bank up to full capacity. Yes, I've just realised that 0.6 wasn't 6 minutes, it was 0.6 of an hour, and now we're down to 0.5, and of course that's the app showing me that's going to be about 28 minutes. As you can see, we've got very good sunshine at the minute. Onto the solar panels. I've just turned on the TV, the Fire Stick, the security cameras. We're pretty much getting it back what we're taking out. I know I should just do a screen recording here, but it's just easier. I've just turned the solar panels around a little bit so they're actually facing towards the sun. Now we're getting more than we're taking out. The fridge has gone off. TV and everything's taking virtually nothing, so I should keep it going for a while.